Y'all, it's Andy of Muscle in the Mountains, and I am in Poplar, North Carolina at the Run for the Hills car show. This is the last pass. That's the sad part. So no more Poplar car show. Hey folks, so here we are. This was the first video. There's going to be a bunch of them. So please check them all out. There are thousands of cars, thousands of people. It's, yeah, it's an awesome day. So lots of stuff going on. And check it out. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, watch to the end. Let's go see some cars. All right, here we are with the Carolina Pushrodz. What better way to start out this show than right down this line here? It's a drag racing group that puts on this show. Carolina Pushrodz, fantastic folks. Awesome rides. And yeah, I mean, what can you say? These race cars are so incredible. Here's one for sale, folks. How crazy is that, huh? Yeah, that's awesome. 15K or trade. There's your info. But we're gonna go down, check out some of these. Which one's your favorite? I'm loving the 57s. We've got a couple of them. Yep, no one further down the end. Here we go. Awesome, awesome rides. Now, if you're familiar with my videos, you know that I try and get everything if I can, and we also, you know, don't move too fast. Here's the thing, today I'm gonna have to move a little faster than what I'm used to. Yeah, this out. That car right there will absolutely fly. I saw this one recently. All these cars are so fast, super fast, and so much fun to watch. Here, check us out. Very cool Nova. Just getting here. Look at this. Love this car. The Tin Man. It's a bad ride right there, folks. Here you go. Here's the other 57 we were talking about. Love this car. Hey, how are you, buddy? Uh-oh. Yeah, that's tough right there. That is tough. Check this out. We're losing a Corvette. There it goes. A big bad ride right here. Wow. Isn't that awesome? Nice. So they just started playing a little bit of music. I'll try and keep that covered up as best I can. Check out this Corvette. Daggone. That is beautiful right there. One of my favorite Corvettes.
59.
Awesome. Very nice. 59 Corvette. So that's one of the ones with the double headlights. Oh, starting it up. Nice. In that classic red and yellow with the rallies, top hats, so nice. Gorgeous Corvette. See it out. We're gonna move on down this line, try and get this whole show in here. We're not gonna be stopping at every car like we normally do because we're talking thousands of vehicles here today. So gonna be moving a little quick. Hey Dave, how are you, brother? I'm doing well, good to see you. Where are you parked at? All right, we'll be over there. Good to see you, bud. Nice. There is a serious variety of vehicles here. Love that. That's sweet. Check out this 67. Now that's bad right there. Love 67 Chevelle. I know a lot of y'all do too. Those seem to be the ones that are a whole lot of people's favorites, the 67, 66s. We get a lot of people like the 66s too, and of course the 70. 70 might be y'all's favorite, but between it and 67, I think. Let me know in the comments, which one's your favorite Chevelle? Is it a 66 or 67 or 70 or one of the other years? I'm partial to the 69 Chevelle myself. I said, we're going to be moving quick, try and get everything in. I'm sure there'll be some leave before I make it around to them, but we're here in Poplar, North Carolina. This is the last pass, Poplar Car Show, entitled Run for the Hills. Last year, there was a little over 2,000 cars, I believe, cars, trucks, vehicles, all kinds, and there is a lot more here today than there was last year. This being the last one, of course, I think a lot of people want to come out and be a part of it. Totally understandable. Some cool rides over here. Some of these folks got in the shady spots because it is hot out in the sun today. Check this out. Pretty cool. Love it. Check this out. 62. Very cool. This interior. I think it's sitting low, folks. Very cool. Love the 62 Impalas. I like the finish on that too. Very awesome. Cool Barracuda. Isn't that nice? Look at this. Wow. That's beast right there. Very nice. Ooh, 67. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Love 67 Fairlane. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, that's a beast right there. I heard this one coming in earlier. I hope I got it on camera. This sounds mean. That's one cool Ford. It's 56. The bumper off. Cool 56 Chevy. And here's 55. Isn't that nice? Yeah, it's awesome. Look at this inside. Look at this. Wow. Isn't that cool? That's cool right there. Here's another 55. Very awesome. Isn't that nice? I like cars like this. I'm a patina kind of guy. Love it. Check it out. Huh? Isn't that sweet? Yeah, that's awesome. Very awesome. Cool Mustang. Check this out, Satellite. They are piled in here everywhere. Convertible Satellite with a newer Hemi. Dang. That's a bad Satellite right there. I'll check out this 68. Nice. This one did the power tour this year. Very cool. 68 Super B. Nice. Check out this truck. That's awesome. Custom gluts. Very cool. Nice. Yeah, that's awesome. Very cool. There you go. Excuse me. There's one for sale. 89 S10. Ooh, look at that Sport Fury. Isn't that sweet? Yeah, it's awesome right there. Valiant. Challenger. Wow. There we go. 74 Challenger. Looking awesome. Love it. These fellas are heading out.
I love this first and third.
Glad I made it over here before they left. It is early, guys. It is early. Wow, listen to that Fury. Nice. Geo. That awesome. Very cool. Gold with green stripe. Look at this. Very nice. So that's a 69 GTO, folks. Front end a little bit different than the 70s. Very cool. Check it out. Gorgeous 67 Camaro. Isn't that nice? Looking good, folks. Check this out. Yeah. Barracuda Formula S, 1968. Look at this. Wow. Yep, pretty tough. That's awesome. Very cool. That's one gorgeous Camaro right there, y'all. Isn't that nice? 69 Chevy Camaro. Love that color. Beautiful. Cool Jeep. Nice. Check out this Viper. Wow. Yeah, it's crazy cool. Very cool. Check this out. Cool dart. You go right ahead, bro. Yeah, that's cool right there. Really awesome. Now we got some pinstriping in progress on this really cool hot rod. That's awesome. Folks, there are cars this year in parts of these fields that I don't know if there's ever been cars. We are trying to get them in here with a shoehorn. So many vehicles here today. For the last pass, Poplar, North Carolina, Run for the Hills with Carolina Pushrodz. Such a great show. We're gonna miss it so bad. So bad. Still coming in. They're still coming in. So folks, there will be multiple videos from this show, so go ahead and check them all out. Too many cars to cover in one video, so we'll break it up for you into some bite-sized chunks that you can enjoy. So be sure to check them all out, and we'll try and get around to the whole thing. Look at this Fairlane 500. Is that awesome? Look at that. Wow. Yeah, that's awesome. $390, 66 Fairlane. That's sweet. Very nice Mustang. See how this? Yeah. Love this two-tone blue. Isn't that cool? Gorgeous pickup. Like that body style. The Camaro, a couple of them. Nice. Mountaineer Shrine Club. The Shriners over here. Check us out. So cool. Loving this 55. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, it's gorgeous. I love these flames. A couple of awesome vehicles here. That's a 49, guys. Look at this. Look at that front end. Isn't that awesome? Wow, that's a cool ride right there. Check out the interior. That's awesome. Very awesome. Well, that's going to wrap up video number 1 over here at the Poplar Car Show, Running for the Hills, last pass. Going to click on into this next one here. Be sure you are liking, sharing, and subscribing. We'll see you on the next video. Lots more to come.